you're going to learn how to create a keylogger in Python. So let's learn first what's a keylogger is. Keylogger is a keystroke logging, often referred to as key logging or keyboard capturing, is the action of recording the keystroke on the keyboard. Typically convert to the person using the keyboard is unaware that their actions are monitored. Data can then be retrieved by the person operating the logging program. So it was actually made by Soviet Union's electric typewriters, so that they could monitor their enemies something strategy or what, I don't know much. So first, it's a activity monitoring device. It records your keystrokes, which I have told. It records your keystrokes which you press. Like if I press Notepad, if I open Notepad, I need to write it in search bar. So if I open it like this, so it has opened. Now I have written something Notepad to open Notepad. So that's being captured. What we are writing, control, arrow, all the things. Control we are pressing, like I want to copy something, I write test, it's monitored. Then if I just select it and control C, it is also monitored, and control V. So many black hat hackers use it for the password or credit card password or something else, the numbers. So first, let's start. So if you hadn't subscribed my channel, subscribe it, press the bell icon for the latest videos. So let us begin. So we are creating a Python keylogger, a keylogger using Python. So I have created it before, so let me open it. So if you wanted one thing more, if you want to create a video, Windows 11 activation and download in unsupported PC using CMD command prompt, no software needed, then please give me 25 views, I will make the video. So first we need to go to where I have stored it. So here I've stored. So this is the keylogger. 1 minute, I think it's opened from command prompt. Yes, this thing I want to show you. Let me open it. This, when you make the keylogger, run it, it would show you like this. It will show you like this. 1 minute, what's happening? Yes, this thing. It would show you this thread. If you have some other thread, then also it would show you. So this thing I want to show you, that this you need to switch 1 minute, allow on device, start actions. So we need to just allow it and start the actions. So many times some people's keylogger get away, meaning it is automatically deleted by Microsoft Windows Defender. So let me edit it with IDE. We'll get all the code in my blog. So first it's opening, and make sure you switch off if you don't want it to be like this whenever you run it, and it to don't be like this. So then you need to go to manage settings. Here at this point you need to go to manage settings. Make sure you don't click on this option because it's a very dangerous option. It allows the thread to come in your device. That's not well. So you could do like this, that I have shown that I have allowed it on my device. Then you will go to manage settings. Then here you should switch off the real-time protection. Yes, then the real-time protection is switched off, so you should switch on this also, this stuff, these two stuff. So let's me now open the real-time protection because I want my device to be protected. So here, let me close this window now. So this is the keylogger. 13 lines of code you need to write, and the keylogger will be yours. So first, this code you will find in my blog. So you need one thing more that I'm going to show you. Here, 1 minute. You need one Python package for that. That's called pinput. So here you need to just go to this site, or you need to just type the URL, this URL, talking about this URL. You need to type about, but for those who don't know the URLs, for those I'm going to just type pinput. So you need to go to this site, pypy.org. It's Python's own site. Don't go to any other site. So here, this we need to open it, pinput pypy.org. So we need to go and copy. We don't need to see the stuff, just we need to copy this stuff. So here you need to just press this button. I will press it, it's copied. Now I will go open my command prompt. In the case I have command prompt, if you are using Linux, you should open terminal, and in Mac you should only open terminal, not anything. So here, this is my terminal. Now I will paste this, install pinput. Actually I've installed it, so it would be saying requirement satisfied. So it's installing. It's just checking first. It checks that if we have this thing, if we have it or not. So first, and hopefully it has the pinput stuff ready for us. In your case, if you haven't installed it, it wouldn't show this. So let me close command prompt. After that, you need to type this code and run it. Let me run it in. Let me run this code. So I think it has run. Yes, it has run. Here it. Now if I just type notepad, open it. Now if I type something like what should we give me 25 views and subscribe on my YouTube channel, then I will make a video on, then I will make a video on installing Kali and Windows 11. So this is the stuff which I had written, and I'm copying with the shortcut key Shift plus back arrow key, left arrow. So let me close this stuff and just go to my shell and just restart it. You could restart it by Control F6. So Control plus F6, Control F6. The shell has restarted. Now if I check this file, so we got a keylog document. 1 minute, I should refresh it. File Explorer. I need to open it. 1 minute. File Explorer. Here it's. So now I should go in this keylogger. So here are the keylogs of mine. Let me close this shell and this also. So here you can see what I have written. Notepad, all the things. Subscribe to all the things which I have written here, which I have written all the things. You can see all the things I had written. So this, all the things I had written, is stored here in a separate keylog, and if we write something to that it would be sent to, if we write more in the Python file, it would save it in a separate, it would send an email if you have been hacked. So first let me open keylogger this type. So here the keylogger has been opened and running. If I close it, now also it is running. Notepad, all the thing. Here by going on task manager, it will get all the things running. In background it's running, so I need to just end its task. Google Chrome and Windows security. 1 minute. Here all the things which I'm using is running here. What's that? Chrome. Now here if I go down to search of Python, here Python will be found. Python. Yes, this thing I have renamed the Python as this. Actually it's not renamed due to some problem, it has been like this. So you could find it as Python only because something is in my device, that's why it's being like this. So here this Google, it would be showing as very high, but as I have closed it, so it is in progress. That's why it's showing like this. So now we are going to create the second thing, is the keylogger for the mouse. So for the mouse we need to create a keylogger. You could save the both of them in a one file in a separate folder like this. So let me open Python. So the second thing, I had created one Python file, and here I should write the code. So I'm pausing the video so the time shouldn't be wasted. So here I've written all the code. So here I've written all the code. You will get all the stuff on the blog. The blog's link is in descriptions, and if you have any question, just head to the comment and write the question. So let me say the code and I will show you. Run it here, Python keylogger, one more file and folder as mouse logger, from there I want to save it as app.py. So here the mouse logger is running and it's copying my pointer speed and where it is going, where it's moving like there, like there. It's moving. When I pause it, it also pauses. So the hacker, if the hacker watches you, what he opens, he will be able to check what and take a screenshot. That if the hacker took a screenshot of what you are using, what your desktop is looking like, or your desktop's pic, if he takes, he could able to find that. So let me go to the shell, and now I need to restart the shell. Control plus F6. The shell has been restarted and the logs have been sent to the hacker if you program like this. So here, thank you friends. Well, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. So don't forget 25 views, then video on Windows 11 and Kali Linux. So till then, bye bye.